Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Stephen A. Williams, President and founder of Blue Book MKE, and let's level up your business 5-day challenge. I want to show you something that I love Mondays. Let me tell you why I love Mondays, because on Mondays I get to see how many people were interested in having us give them a call, and they were thinking about utilizing one of our services. And this is here. What I do is I do a download, even though this is done automatically for me, but it's just something that I like to see because it's kind of like money in the bank. And I had talked with my head of my customer service team, and I was wondering how many people signed up for our services without even talking to us over the weekend. And he said over 7 people. And I was like, well, if that's 7 people, how much is that worth to the company? And he said it was a little bit over $3,500. So doors are closed, everybody's at home over the and our company made $3,500 without having to talk to anybody. And look at all of the people who want us to give them a call. Now I have some stuff blurred out because I don't want to tell people's, information. But you can see over the weekend we have 119 people, and I'm going to briefly go over what we have here. So uh, the we download this information from our Facebook ad campaigns, and I have several campaigns that run all the time. I never turn off my ads, and it constantly generates leads for us to follow up on. And so what I have here is just to kind of show you what you would get if you were to put together a campaign. Is I always like to know the campaign name, well, the time created, so I can know that we're generating leads, and then the campaign name, because we have different campaigns that run, the form that we use, so just so I know that that form is generating leads, and then the platform, obviously these were all Facebook, Instagram leads, and then we get the name, email, phone number, and then right here where it says true, this is where people accept the terms, because we have an extensive follow-up process that we also utilize to follow up with the leads, an automated process. So this is a very, I'm always excited on Monday because this is like having us be able to get the week off to a good start. We make sales, automatic sales where people just sign up for the service, and then we also make sales from people that we follow up with. And obviously, more people want to have a phone call conversation, or so they can ask their questions before they sign up. But something to also be aware of is that most people don't sign up for your product or service the first time that they become a lead. So you need to have a good follow up process in place to follow up with your leads.